Hello everyone, welcome to Lecker Treats and thank you so much for being here. So in today's video, we are making this super healthy, nutritious and delicious sticky chicken with salad. My name is Benedicta. So for today's recipe, we do not need much. All we need is our vegetables, some salad seeds, chicken, and a few sauces that you can easily find in your kitchen. As usual, all ingredients for this recipe are listed in the description box below. So we'll begin by making our marinade for our chicken, and for this we need some soy sauce or fish sauce. We need some garlic powder, some white pepper powder, and we'll mix them up very well. And then we'll be adding our honey to it. You can replace the honey with brown sugar. And we'll also add some dark soy sauce just to give it some color and flavor. We'll mix it very well. And we'll then pour this marinade over the chicken and wrap the chicken very well with our marinade. We'll then let the chicken sit for about 30 minutes for it to soak out the juices of the marinade. Next, we'll be preparing our dressing for our salad, and for this we need some soy sauce, and we'll be adding distilled wine vinegar. You can replace this with apple cider vinegar. We'll then add some sesame oil to it and some olive oil, and then mix everything well together. If you prefer, you can add some sesame seeds to it. And that is it. Our salad dressing is ready. We'll then proceed to chopping up our vegetables. I have here some lettuce. You can use cabbage. You can use any vegetable of your choice. And I'm using just half a cucumber and some carrots and tomatoes. That is it for my salad. You can use any vegetable you have at home for this salad and it will taste delicious. So all these vegetables has been thoroughly washed and cleansed with vinegar. For the carrot, I'll be grating it so that my kids can easily enjoy it. And then we'll be de-seeding our tomatoes. You can use some Roma tomatoes for this, or you can also use some cherry tomatoes. Any tomato of your choice works fantastic. Chop it up into your preferred shape and size, and then set it aside to use later. So in a pan, we'll be adding 2 tablespoons of oil, and once this is hot enough, we'll be placing our chicken breast into it. We'll then pour over this half of the remaining marinade and allow it to cook until the marinade evaporates. We'll then flip it over and then pour over this the remaining marinade we left. Please allow this to cook until that marinade also evaporates completely and you have a golden brown color. That is what we are looking for. And please keep an eye on this as it will get burnt because of the sugar we have in there. So we are done with our chicken. We'll take it out and set it aside. And there we have our chicken looking so juicy and delicious. We have our chopped vegetables, mixed salad seeds. You can use any salad seeds of your choice. We have our marinade prepared, and of course our chicken. So we'll be pouring our salad seeds over the vegetables, give it a good toss, and then we pour our dressing over it. Toss everything well together, and that is it. So simple and easy to put this meal together. You don't have to spend too much time at the kitchen putting this meal together, and it tastes so good. You'll be making it every time. So you can slice up your chicken into smaller sizes and then place it over your salad, and see how tender it looks. And you can have this with some rice or boiled quinoa. I had mine on this day with some boiled rice. It was so delicious. Please subscribe to this channel if you've not done yet, and like, comment, and share this video if you enjoyed it. Until we come your way again in the next one, it's bye.